This is another unboxing video on Eric C. Productions. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified of my latest video that are posted during the week. Thanks for watching, and now back to the unboxing. My son got this package. This is the box he got. This is pretty much another pair of shoes. I don't know what kind of shoes they are, so I am going to open it up. He's going to let me do this. My son likes to buy shoes. That's his hobby. And this is the box that I'm going to be opening. Looks like Yeezy's 350 Boost. Let's open them up and see. Oh. These are Yeezys, Adidas. You can see the inside. And these are what they look like. Nice. They look a lot like the ones I got. So anyway, this is what they look like. Again, these are Yeezys 350 Boost V2s. So I guess at volume 2. Okay, these are shoes. Hey, if you just watched my video, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and please subscribe to Eric C. Productions.